Are you getting close to retirement and wondering how to apply for your CPP in 2025? Don't worry, it's easier than you think, especially if you know what to expect. Let's walk through the process step by step so you don't miss a cent. The Canada Pension Plan, CPP, is a monthly retirement income you can start receiving as early as age 60. The standard start age is 65, but you can delay it up to 70 to get a higher monthly amount. Now, CPP doesn't start automatically. You must apply for it even if you're already receiving other benefits like OAS. So, how do you apply in 2025? You have two options: online through your My Service Canada account, MSCA paper application, which you can download and mail. The online method is faster and easier. Just log into your MSCA, click Apply for CPP Retirement Pension, and follow the prompts. You'll need to enter your start date, banking info for direct deposit, and confirm some basic details. But here's something important. Choose your start date wisely. The earlier you start, the lower your monthly amount. Starting at 60 reduces your CPP by 0.6% per month, while delaying past 65 increases it by 0.7% per month, up to 42% more if you wait till 70. Once your application is submitted, you'll get a confirmation letter. Processing can take 7 to 14 weeks, depending on how you applied. You can track your status through your MSCA. Also, if you've contributed to CPP while working, you're eligible. The exact amount depends on your earnings and how long you've paid into the plan. You can check your estimated amount anytime using the CPP Retirement Income Calculator on the Government of Canada website. And that's it. Applying for CPP in 2025 is simple when you know the steps. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more retirement tips made easy.